Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I want to talk to you about Wander Beauty's new Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This is the first liquid foundation by Wander Beauty. They do have a powder and a stick, and Wander Beauty is one of my all-time favorite makeup brands. They're cruelty-free. Every single product is enriched with skincare ingredients. They're made to be applied quickly, to go with girl on the go, so that everything's multitasking, and you just get your makeup on. It's going to stay on all day, and you get it on quick. I was really excited about this liquid foundation. I've been obsessed with it since I received it a couple of weeks ago, wearing it every day. The first thing to note is that if you are familiar with Wander Beauty's other foundations, they did expand the shades for the Nude Illusion. I think there's 12 shades now, and Fair Light is one of them, which makes me so happy because this is the perfect shade for my skin tone. I don't have to buy Fair and Light and mix it, and tons of other shades too, but I'm wearing Fair Light and it works really well for me. The component is very innovative, as all Wander Beauty components are. They really think of everything. It's incredible. It's a tube. It's a plastic tube, so you could throw it in your bag and it's not going to break. It's not going to spill because it's closed. And when you open it, there's a giant doe foot applicator, and it's not just a doe foot applicator. If you look really closely, hopefully you could see, there's like a little pool to get enough product for your face. Oh, if you see swatches on the back of my hands, if you'd like to see this product in action, I just did a separate demo video using this and using all of Wander Beauty's products for a full face demo, and I just used my fingers. I used one brush, but that was it. I will post that below if you would like to see how this performs and check out their other products too, so check it out if you can. But this foundation is incredible. If you are a person who hates liquid foundations because you think liquid foundations feel heavy and you don't like the feel of them on your skin, you must try this because this is the most lightweight liquid foundation I've ever felt. It feels like nothing on my skin, stays all day, it doesn't go into any lines, any pores, it just wears fresh and beautifully. And I've had this on for over 12 hours a couple of days and it just looked so nice at night. Coverage is buildable. You could do just one coat, as you'll see if you watch the demo, and you'll get like just evened out skin. I generally prefer 2 to 3 to get full coverage because I'm just a full coverage foundation type of girl. When I wear this, I can get away with not wearing concealer. If I do a little extra on my under eye areas where my dark circles are really, really dark, I can get away with wearing it alone. Most days I do just put concealer on as well because it's just habit and it's just what I do. But full of skincare ingredients. Let me read you the back of this. It says it's a weightless fluid foundation formulated for full coverage with a natural radiant finish. Designed with a doe foot applicator to deliver seamless coverage wherever you wander. Enriched with niacinamide and lotus flower to improve skin's radiance. So there you go. It has 2 ingredients right there. I pulled up the website because there's more great ingredients in here that I'll just read you. There's blackcurrant fruit extract in here that has 4 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges, 2 times the amount of antioxidants as blueberries, and it just helps form collagen. Centella asiatica, which is rich in amino acids and beta-carotene fatty acids, helps anti-aging. There's niacinamide, as I mentioned, which I might not be saying right. There's passiflora extract, which is another extract that is rich in omegas and fatty acids to really keep your skin hydrated, to help with anti-aging. And sodium hyaluronate, which is what plumps your skin, holds 1,000 times its weight in water, retains moisture so skin looks more subtle, and there's a youthful appearance. So as you're wearing it, it doesn't only just help as you wear it like for the day, but over time your skin's going to improve. I just can't say enough great things about it. If you want to see my befores and afters bare face with this alone and then full coverage, check out my blog post too. I did do a corresponding blog post that has so many more details. Check out the demo video. But this is one of my favorite foundations. It does not have SPF in it, but I wear a separate SPF every single day to thoroughly ensure I have enough on my face, because you really want to make sure you apply enough, and I put this over it. It's no big deal. It also photographs absolutely beautifully, and it is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, and it's dermatologist tested. All there on the back of the bottle as well. So if you do like my review, hopefully you do, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, check out the demo video to see it in action, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.